Go Carpet Cleaning in Chamblee, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning carpets in homes throughout Chamblee and the surrounding areas, bringing years of experience to every task, and a persistent dedication to customer care. Today there are numerous delighted clients across all communities who rely heavily upon our trained professionals, due to the fact that nothing gets easier than having a professional clean.
As a first-time customer, I was extremely impressed with the professionalism, prompt and quality service I received from Go Carpet Cleaning. Ben was customer-friendly and provided helpful and insightful advice for my cleaning needs. He was very thorough and made the process easy and fast. It is rare to find a cleaning company that takes such great care in providing excellent customer service while also delivering amazing results. I would absolutely recommend this company to anyone in need of quality cleaning services.
Gal was amazing. We had an emergency situation and he came within an hour of us calling to handle our cleaning needs. The before and after were shocking. We are so grateful for his compassion and will have him finish the rest of the home very soon.
I've had Go Carpet Cleaning to clean my carpets in Stone Mountain. Gal worked for about 5 hours to restore the carpets in my house. He cleaned 3 rooms, a hallway, and a staircase. He managed to remove a bunch of red stains, a lot of stains of all kinds and traffic patterns. He was 100% dedicated to the job and reached beyond my expectations. We've had a great conversation. He gave me a lot of wisdom. Kudos, Gal. Keep up with the good work. Very recommended.
We concentrate on business and residential carpet cleaning, using just natural, environment-friendly solutions that are harmless for your whole family and beloved pets. Our team is devoted to providing a disciplined approach to our work that will leave your carpets looking and smelling clean and new. Envision a place where you can feel the warmth, see natural light, and breathe freely. We provide carpet cleaning that will bring your office or home back to life. Our additional services: cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. There's absolutely nothing like strolling barefoot on clean, fresh-smelling carpeting, and we can help you get there. Our professional group of carpet cleaners will offer your carpets the deep cleaning they should have. Contact us about expert cleaning company today. For carpet cleaning in Chamblee and neighboring areas, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.